Heather, we're headed to one of your favorite communities. Let's go. We've got Latitude Margaritaville with a great private Aloha. Come on. Britt, I love the privacy here on this lot.
Absolutely, and you have views of the preserve on the back of the property, so it feels like you're tucked away. The open concept living area and kitchen flows so nicely in this plan. I also love the skylights. It lets that beautiful natural light flow through.
It's open and airy ensuite with these large doors makes it feel grand, and all of this space for this 2-bed with a den.
So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing links there for you so you can find out all the details.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future deals like this one.